This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Amy Bremer. Immaculate 4-bedroom plus bonus / office home located in a very desirable area of Ferndale and located nicely on a quiet cul-de-sac. This well-designed floor plan has an incredible open kitchen concept with top-rated stainless steel appliances, bar-top island and walk-in pantry. Primary bedroom located on the main level with a grand ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Partially fenced yard, back deck off of dining area and off-street parking. Just minutes from I-5 with all the feels of being in the country. For more information, review the details below or contact Amy Bremer at 360-398-6800.